Staying aware of the details of your borrower's mortgage process is vitally important, and having access to your in-processing loan data on your mobile device allows you to provide the best service to your clients. Just like the web client version of your CRM, your BNTouch mobile app lets you track your client information as they progress through the steps of applying for, gaining approval for, and receiving a mortgage for a home. When you log into the BNTouch app, you can view your loans in processing by swiping from left to right to open the menu. When you tap In Processing, you will be able to see overviews of your in-processing records and monitor reports of these loans. If you need to update an individual client's in-processing status or log dates of their progress, you will instead need to open their contact record in your app. To learn more about updating mobile records, please check out our Contact Records training video. The in-processing section of your mobile app is separated into two parts, the Records view and the Reports view. The first section, Records, sorts your loans by their stage in the mortgage process. At the top of the screen, you can swipe side to side to navigate between processing stages, and tapping one will display a list of matching clients. You can also filter the Records view to only show clients associated with a specific user by tapping the icon in the upper left corner. Within each in-processing stage, your mortgage clients in that stage will be listed in gray rows. You can see who the record is assigned to, how long it has been in that stage, the loan amount, and the loan purpose of each mortgage. When you tap on a row, it will expand to show the lead source, property address, next stage in processing, loan program, and current marketing sequence step. You can also contact the client by tapping the action icon to the right of their mortgage information. When you do, you will see a list of options based on the information you have in that client's contact record and the modules you have active for your account. You can call the client, send an SMS message via BNTouch or your mobile device, send an email or postcard, or record a video message for them. You can also add CRM tracker events from here to give notes to yourself and your coworkers about the client. The second sub-tab, Reports, lets you monitor the number and value totals of your in-processing loans. Each processing stage will display a total and graphed bar representing either the combined loan amounts or number of clients currently at that stage in the mortgage process. You can swap the report values using the tabs at the top of the page, and you can filter the reports by assigned CRM user by tapping the icon in the upper left corner. Thank you for watching this training video. To learn more about the BNTouch CRM, please check out our YouTube channel.